You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing words in English that many get wrong and mispronounce. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it? Sixth. So you have to say sec, and then an S, and then the th sound. So sixth, sixth, sixth. And now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. More videos here on how to pronounce more useful English vocabulary. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.